Tom, what are you doing here? I thought you were at your grandmother's home.
Hi, Marco. I have just arrived. I didn't know you were here.
What do you mean you didn't know I was here? My father is the owner of this club. The question is, what the hell are you doing here? I think I have told you many times that.
Yeah, I know. You've told me this place is not for me, but I came with my father. He brought me here to celebrate my birthday. It's just a full day, but I am happy with that.
Of course you are. This club is really expensive for your dad. What have you done in order to come here? Have you sold your house or what?
No, we haven't sold anything. We've been saving money for this full day.
Yeah, I bet you have saved money for many years to come here.
Stop it, Marco. I know you have a lot of money, but it's my birthday today.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I also celebrated my birthday last month. We went to Europe for that. It was amazing. Have you ever been to Europe, Tom?
No, I haven't. But I've been to the countryside many times. It's beautiful. There, you can ride a horse, play with the animals, walk around the flowers.
Countryside? What are you talking about, Tom? Only poor people go to the camp to have fun. I have never gone to those kinds of places. As I was telling you, I went to Europe. I went to France. It's just amazing. I went to Paris and... Oh, have you ever visited Paris? I don't think so.
Paris? No. I've never been to that place, but I would love to sometime.
Yeah, sure. Maybe in 100 years you could go there. Don't worry. I'm sure you haven't traveled to another country, have you?
No, I've never traveled out of the country. It must be a little expensive, right?
A little?
You could never pay for that, bro, forget it. To start, you have to go there by airplane. Have you ever taken a plane, Tom?
No, never. I haven't had the chance to do that. But maybe sometime.
No, no, no. Do not flatter yourself. It's impossible for you. It's too expensive. You just keep going to your grandmother's house. I bet it's a poor house, isn't it?
Well, it's made of wood, but it's beautiful. Have you ever lived in a wooden house?
Are you kidding? Of course not, and I don't want to. I've never done that. Why would I do that? I mean, I can stay at any hotel I wish. Expensive ones. And talking about hotels, have you ever stayed in a 5-star hotel, Tom? No, right?
Yes, I have. I have gone to a hotel near the countryside. Well, once, it was raining a lot, so we couldn't stay at my grandmom's home. It was all wet.
Yeah, right. I'm sure that was the worst hotel in the world. Did it have a pool? I don't think so. And have you ever swum in a swimming pool?
Yeah, well, not a pool, but in the river. There's a beautiful river near my granny's home. Swimming on a river is very exciting. Have you ever swum in a river, Marco?
No. That's disgusting. Rivers are dirty and for poor people. I usually swim on my private pool, or sometimes we travel to a different country for that. I've been to Bora Bora, Grace Bay Beach, Camps Bay Beach, and so on. Just top beaches. There, I have eaten many delicious dishes. I've tried different kind of dishes. For example, ceviche. I have traveled to South America many times and I have tried that. It is fish, pepper, sweet potatoes, amazing. Oh, have you ever tried crevice?
No. What is that? I've never seen that dish, but it sounds delicious. I'd like to try that.
Yeah, just keep dreaming. I could bring some of these amazing dishes for you, but I don't think that's a good idea. As I was telling you about my birthday, it was amazing. I received a lot of presents. Toys, clothes, video games. Oh, by the way, have you ever gotten presents on your birthday?
Of course. My dad always gives me a good present on my birthday.
Oh, seriously? And what kind of presents have you gotten so far? Tell me.
Well, once, he gave me a beautiful toy. It was a robot. He made it.
You're kidding, right? Did he make your toy? That's for poor people. A good toy is one you buy at an expensive store. $500, $1,000.
Well, I liked my gift. It was nice. I played with it for many years.
If you say so. And have you ever had a birthday cake? I don't think so.
Yeah, I have. My mom prepares the best cake ever. It's delicious. She makes it with strawberry. I love that fruit. It's delicious.
Again. Does she make your cake? I couldn't expect less from you, Tom. Well, I have to leave. You shouldn't be here. This club is very expensive. I have come here for years and I know that. I will tell my driver to take you home, okay?
I'm fine, thanks. I came with my father. My mom will come later and we'll have lunch together. We always spend time together as a family. Have you ever eaten with your parents?
Well, that's not necessary. My dad works hard to have a lot of money and buy things.
Yeah. And wouldn't you like to spend more time with them?
No, of course not. I am happy with all my toys and everything.
If you say so. Well, I have to go. My parents are waiting for me. Take care.
Yeah. Whatever. He's right. I miss my parents.
Hey. Why don't you come with us to celebrate my birthday? Let's go.
Seriously. Thank you so much. We can play with my toys. Let's go.